The National Weather Service in Dartmoor has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ruskin County in north-central Kavora, Zareth County in north-central Kavora, Thridden County in north-central Kavora. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds excess of 57 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. This dangerous storm was located near Ruskin County, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Locations impacted include West Haven, Nimbora, Valdora, Tarnova, Dartmoor, Oreo, and Maysville Valley. For your protection, move indoors to a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. The National Weather Service in Dartmoor has issued a tornado warning for Ruskin County in north-central Kavora, Zareth County in north-central Kavora, Thridden County in north-central Kavora. National Doppler radar and storm spotters has indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Locations impacted include West Haven, Nimbora, Valdora, Tarnova,